Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Hdr. In this I'm going to talk about the Realme Ui 3.0 update. Is it worth to update in this Realme GT Neo 2 or not? The main reason is because today the second batch of Realme Ui 3.0 update has been released for the Realme GT Neo 2 device, and few of the users that did apply for this kind of trial version, and after this I'm getting plenty of comments, should we update or not. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm getting on the Realme GT Neo 2 device, as you can clearly see friends. So I thought of making a video on this particular topic. The main reason is because I am using this first batch of beta version for the past 7 days of usage. I think 7 to 10 days of usage. So I did have a lot of idea about this update, what are the advantages and disadvantages, and I'll try to talk about each and every aspect in this video. For example, how is the Realme Ui 3.0 affected the performance, how the Realme Ui 3.0 affected the battery life, display, camera, connectivity. All these details I'll try to discuss in this entire video. This might give the clear idea what's going on with this device. And one more quick note, this phone is not having much problems like Realme X and Max device, because Realme X and Max has got a lot of problems in this Realme Ui 3.0 update especially. That's something you should definitely understand friends. But Realme GT Neo 2 is not having any kind of problems, not much major problems especially. So first thing regarding the performance, how is the performance in this device after update? It was kind of okay friends, nothing much major downgrade or increase. I did not see any kind of performance boost as well. So all the under benchmark score I was able to get 7 lakhs, 20,000, 15,000. This score, don't worry, this is a test which I did, I think when the battery is kind of low percentage, I think so, when I did do this kind of testing, extreme testing. But overall the screen Android benchmark test results were completely positive with this kind of update. Let me show you the couple of screenshots which are taken. As you can see friends, 7,18,000 as well, which I got in the Realme GT Neo 2. So regarding the benchmarks, you should not be worried about the CPU throttling as well. I'll try to show you the graph which I did upload. As you can see, just a couple of hours ago I did upload this video, CPU throttling graph, so which is fantastic. So no issues with the performance, so you should not be worried. So Battlegrounds mobile game anyway we'll be playing with only 60 fps, but we do get this kind of real-time fps meter, which is very good advantage with this update, I can definitely say that. So as you can see friends, let me to enable. As you can see, real-time fps meter with the Realme Ui 3.0 update. This is really fantastic option. That's what I did like with this update especially. So in the performance segment, no issues till now. I did not notice anything in the Realme GT Neo 2 device, not much complaints I got. But in the Realme X and Max device, the Battlegrounds mobile game is only capped at 60 fps. You cannot play at 90 fps, and there are a lot of throttling issues happening in the Realme X and Max. So that's maybe because of the Dimensity processor in the Realme X and Max, so you should definitely understand. So next thing is about the battery life. How is the battery backup? Wow, this is one of my favorite thing about this device friends. I never thought I'll be saying like this, but I'm getting the screen on time is close to kind of 7.5 hours, 8 hours of screen on time I'm getting in this device. Yes. So for the past few days, I am using this phone as my daily driver usage. Yes. So before I did use a lot of other phones, kind of mixed usage, but this phone makes me to use continuously because of this very good screen on time I'm getting. For me, with my usage, I was able to easily get 7.5 hours of usage. No issue screen on time. And sometimes when I got about close to 8 hours of screen on time as well. Let me just show you a couple of screenshots which are taken if possible. As you can see, 8 hours 16 minutes. Wow. This is the best thing about this update, which is battery life. And the charging is also not impacted with this update, so you should not be worried at all. Charging, the phone was able to charge within kind of close to 38 minutes and maybe 37 minutes as well, not bad. And next thing regarding the display wise also, black eye crush issue little bit still it's there, but for me it's not bothering much. So black eye crush issue and green tint problem, which is not at all present in this device. And next, Netflix Hdr Is Not Supported, and Amazon Prime HD still I'm having problem in my unit, not only in my phone, even in few of the other users also complained the same thing, that wideband L1 certification from L1 it changed to L3. All of a sudden, yes, all of a sudden it got changed. Not after this update, before update only this problem is existing, but even after the update also, still the problem not got fixed. So in the Prime videos, I cannot watch HD in my phone. You may think there's some problem with my unit. That cannot be like that. Even there are a lot of other users who are actually having same kind of issues. So I used to see a lot of comments saying that your unit might have the problem because you don't know about other users' issues, because I can actually read all the comments what I'm getting. So I will be having a lot of idea what the users are actually facing. Sort of maybe 10 people using the Realme GT Neo 2, maybe 2 users are actually having this issue. Not all of them, only few users. So next thing regarding the camera, how is the camera experience after this Realme GT, after this recent Realme Ui 3.0 update? Nothing much major improvement. It was quite similar. I did take a lot of shots in the low light photography, which is very same. Nothing much major improvements with the low light photography. Not much changes, as you can see, friends. Nothing much major improvement with the camera. So apart from that, I don't have any kind of problems with the camera as well. I can actually record 4K 60 FPS as well. So without any kind of issues, there is no lag. The phone was able to record properly without any kind of force stop, nothing at all. As you can see clearly, no problem with the camera for me. And next thing is about the connectivity, also no issues. The main reason why I did include connectivity, because after the Realme Ui 3.0 update in the Realme X and Max, the Wi-Fi transmit link speed of 2.4 GHz has been changed to 144 Mbps. I'll try to explain you what's happening. So in this Realme GT Neo 2 right now it's 300 Mbps, okay, transmit link speed. After the update in the Realme X and Max, the transmit link speed has been completely decreased to 144 Mbps after the update. So this has happened in the Realme X and Max device, friends. So that's the reason there are a lot of issues with this phone with the recent beta version rather than in this device. So this device, you are good to go and you can definitely update without any kind of worrying about the issues. If you face any kind of issues, let me know in the comment section below, friends. But this issue should not be major issues in this device. And some users already mentioned that automatically the do not disturb mode is activating, and there will be small issues only, not the major problems, because the major problems can be from the performance, from the battery life. These two things are the major things which will be impacting in every update. So you should be worried about only these two things especially. Yes. So battery backup is the main key thing, friends, with the updates. This is a huge update, right? From Android 11 to Android 12. This is very big update. So that is where the battery life and the performance will be definitely impacted a lot. But so far, I'm very much positive in this Realme X and Max device. The battery was draining overnight, I think close to 15%, 10 to 15% is draining in this device. But in this device, 2% is draining, overnight draining test. So I came across this kind of issues in the Realme X and Max, but not in the Realme GT Neo 2. I'm getting 5.5 hours of screen on time in this device. Before I used to get 6.5 hours. Now 5.5 hours. Now I'm getting 8 hours of screen on time. That's the best part about this update. So definitely, friends, and make sure to follow my channel regularly in case if you are having the Realme GT Neo 2, because only few people will be uploading this kind of content on the Realme GT Neo 2. Please make sure to follow my channel regularly. Don't forget to follow the playlist as well for more information. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off. Until then, bye.